More video coming our way. This is from Bay, Arkansas, of the tornado that was near Bay. Look at that. Oh my goodness. Who is this? This is Garrett Hampton, or Derek. Garrett Hampton. Thank you. Nathan, that's an impressive tornado as well.
Yeah.
Look how close he is to it. Bay, Arkansas.
That's definitely going to do some damage. I mean, that is rotating very rapidly. It's a wedge tornado. And power flashes right there. So you hope for the best when you see one of those.
You know, the National Weather Service, I mean, there's a lot of folks out there. Storm chasers have their advantages, and I thank them for that, for providing us with the footage that we can take and give to the Weather Service. Yes, confirmed. I've got video of it. But that's just really impressive.